he submits to the court a report co-written by the Katiba Institute entitled Implications of Kenyatta-Ruto Presidency, which he suggests shows deep-seated resentment by the applicant towards the third and fourth respondent. These grounds for opposition to the application are also supported by Mr. Katwa Keegan for the fourth respondent and Mr. Rubello for the first respondent. While it is true that the Katiba Institute has enjoyed the status of amicus before this court, it is clear to us that the adversarial nature of this matter is different from that of an advisory opinion hearing of this court, to which the Institute previously enjoyed audience. We are of the opinion that where in adversarial proceedings, parties allege a proposed applicant for amicus is biased or hostile to one or more of the parties, or where the applicant through previous conduct appears to be partisan on the issue before the court, then we must consider such an objection seriously. Having perused the authority submitted by the applicant on the issue of impartiality and admission of amicus, we find that the test established in that matter has no direct correlation to the kind of case which is before us, a highly adversarial and contested election petition. Having listened to all arguments from counsel and studied the documentation submitted to the court with regard to this application, and even though we are unable to ascertain the veracity of every claim, this court is convinced that the perception of bias and partisanship with regard to the applicant in this matter exists. In view of the foregoing, the court's position is that the application by the Katiba Institute for admission to the status of amicus curiae is disallowed.